Hi, the Henna Guys fam. Let's talk about how you should mix Jet Black Henna Dye. Jet Black is another two-step process, just like our dark brown. Step 1 will be the mixing and then the application of pure henna. To start off with, we are going to need a non-metallic bowl. We did use a glass bowl. Also be sure to use either a wooden or plastic utensil. You may need to pour the powder into the bowl. Depending on your hair length, you may need to use the entire package. Measurement suggestions can be found in the description box below. After the measured amount of henna has been added to the bowl, you can pour the liquid. We used black brewed coffee, however you can use distilled water or black tea. Be sure to add a small amount of liquid at a time and stir. This will help to break up those clumps. After you have all of your liquid added to the henna mixture, you will need to aggressively stir. This is due to the fact that the henna needs to have a cake or pancake batter consistency for the application. If there are too many clumps, the henna won't fully saturate the strands. And if the hair strands are not fully saturated, then the color will not be as vibrant. So keep stirring until the mixture is smooth. While we're stirring, let's explain why the two-step process is necessary. Sure, you can mix the henna and indigo together, but the color will not hold as long, nor will it be as vibrant. So by applying the pure henna first as a base, the indigo will have something to adhere to. By following this process, this is how you can achieve that beautiful jet black color. So please avoid temptation and do both steps completely. After stirring, your henna should look something like this. You will need to cover it and let the henna complete the 8 to 10 hour dye release process. You can let the henna sit overnight if you wish. That will not affect the mixture at all. After that 8 to 10 hour time is complete, you can uncover and give it an additional stir. The henna will have oxidized overnight, and this helps get it back to its original state. It is now ready to be applied to your hair. You will need to separate your hair into sections, then apply the henna. Start from the roots of your hair and work your way towards the ends. After your hair is fully covered with the henna, you can cover it with a shower or plastic cap. You will need to let the henna soak for 3 hours. This will help the color to be absorbed into your hair. After that 3-hour time has passed, you can rinse your hair using cool water. Start from the ends and work up to the roots. Once your hair is completely dry, you can begin mixing the indigo powder. Measure out the indigo and pour it into a non-metallic bowl. Once the indigo is added, you will need to pour in your liquid. We used black brewed coffee, but you can use distilled water or black tea. We're going to be following the same exact process as mixing the henna. This is by stirring the mixture until the cake batter consistency has been achieved. So keep stirring until the indigo is smooth. Once the indigo has a smooth texture, you will need to let it rest for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the indigo will look like this. Give it a quick stir and then it will be ready for the application. Same application process as a pure henna by separating your hair and working in sections. Start at your roots and work down to the ends of your hair. Cover with a shower cap and let soak for 3 hours. Rinse with cool water, starting from the ends and working up to the roots. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us on social media.